What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, so go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because I'm bringing you content every Sunday. So let's get right into this video. So today we are going to be doing a Q&A. So we're going to get to know each other a little bit better. I'm going to go through a series of questions, answer them so you can get to know me. First question, where am I from? I'm from a small town in Carthage, Mississippi, and I am from a family that has 10 kids. I have 5 sisters. No, I have 5 brothers and 4 sisters. Sad that I was getting that mixed up. All right, y'all. So my first job was a water park called Geyser Falls in Mississippi. You would get to be with all kind of people that's your age, and you could go to the park free admission afterwards or anytime on your time off. Best job ever. Okay, y'all, so my favorite color is blue, especially royal blue, if you can't tell by the name. My lucky number is 7 because I am the 7th child of 10 children. I literally have 5 brothers, 4 sisters, and I'm number 7 of them. I literally grew up and graduated from a high school and graduated with 23 people in my class. Yes, get into it, okay? So what's the furthest I've been from home? Literally, I went to see my bestie in Albania, and we traveled across to Greece also. So we were back and forth there. So that was the farthest I've been from home. One of the foods that I love the most is junk food. It is terrible, I know, but I love my sweets, especially chocolate. Okay, who don't like chocolate? Okay, there are people who don't like chocolate, but it's hard for me to believe because of how much I love it. So when I was in junior high and high school, I actually used to play basketball. So my favorite sport is actually basketball, but I don't always love to watch it on TV. I'd rather be there in person. So my favorite song right now that's out is Heartbreak Anniversary by Giveon. Oh my gosh, it is such a beat. So what got me into fashion and loving fashion? As I was saying earlier, I am one of 10 kids, and you really have to make your hand-me-downs and make it your own. But one of my fashion inspirations early on is my oldest sister, and she would take me shopping, and she really has had like great style. So just watching her growing up and then going off to college and really finding my own style, that is really where I've gotten my inspiration. I hope you guys enjoy getting to know me a little bit better. If there's other things you would like to see from me in the future, definitely go ahead and comment below. And what story would you like told the Royal Blue by Priscilla way? All right, guys. See you next time. Peace.